Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious loaded potato soup. First, gather your ingredients, including 2 pounds of russet potatoes, 6 slices of bacon, and 4 cups of chicken broth. Dice your potatoes into 1/2 inch cubes and cook the bacon until it's perfectly crispy. Don't forget to chop 1/2 cup of onion and mince 2 cloves of garlic for a flavorful base. Now, let's build that rich soup base. In a large pot, sauté your chopped onion and minced garlic in about 2 tablespoons of the reserved bacon fat until softened. Whisk in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour to form a roux, cooking for about 1 minute. Slowly pour in 4 cups of chicken broth, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens nicely. Next, it's time to cook those potatoes to perfection. Add your diced potatoes to the thickened broth and let it simmer for about 15 minutes, or until the potatoes are tender. Then, stir in 1 cup of milk and 8 ounces of cream cheese until it's completely smooth and creamy. Finish by seasoning with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and a pinch of cayenne for a little kick. Finally, the best part, serving your amazing loaded potato soup. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and generously top with those crispy bacon bits you cooked earlier. Add a sprinkle of shredded cheddar cheese and some fresh green onions for a vibrant finish. This soup is perfect for a cozy evening. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.